This is a demo of the new system for the MEMLNaut entitled NISPS, which stands for Neural Interactive Shaping of Parameter Spaces. In this system, we're using a neural network to translate from this 3D joystick into 33 parameters of a Phase Aligned Formant Synthesizer. And you can see as I'm moving this joystick around, here's how the parameters are changing. We can listen to that. So we can see we've got some variation in this parameter space. When the joystick is down, then we get more staccato sounds and more continuous sounds when the joystick is up. I'm going to use reinforcement learning inspired method to shape this parameter space a bit. So supposing I like this sound down here, the more staccato sounds, and I like the more continuous sound up here, but I don't like what's in the middle. What I can tell the system is I like this sound by tapping this button here or flipping this switch up. And so I can go around and kind of pin the sounds down that I like. And then I can say what I don't like, and we can listen to the system as it moves away from those sounds. So let's give that a try. So I like this sound. I like this sound too. And I'm going to say that I don't like this sound. So we can see the system's moving away from that. I'm going to slow down the learning so we can wait till we find something we like and then stay with it. So say I like this sound. Now I can tap this a few times and say I like this sound. Then we can move back and we can see that we've kept the original sounds that are at the top and bottom. We just move the sounds in the middle. How else can we explore sounds? Well, we can use exploration noise. So let's say I want to edit the sound in the middle again. I can turn this knob up here and this will add some noise to the output of the neural network. And I can wait until an interesting sound comes around, slow down the noise, like that sound, and then turn it off. And then the optimization system will move the neural network towards that sound. So let's give that a try. So now I'm turning up the OU noise. Okay, I quite like that. So I'm going to like that. I like it a few times just to strengthen that. And now I've turned off the OU noise and the network is adjusting to that sound. And we've still kept these original sounds, the more staccato sound down here and the more continuous sound down here. So that is showing how the NISPS system lets you use reinforcement learning inspired approaches to adjust how a neural network maps from input into sound.